Creativity. It's inside all of us. We use it to do amazing things. Creativity gives us things that inspire us, things that comfort us, and things that make us laugh. Since we owe so much to creativity, we should all be concerned that it's declining, particularly in children. We don't know what's causing it, but we're here to do something about it. Hi, I'm Adam.
And I'm Megan, and we have 2 young kids who we love playing with. We are inspired by how creative kids can be. And I'm a psychologist, and after researching the decline in children's creativity, we decided that we could do something about it.
So we created Starting Lines the game. Creativity is a muscle. Grow your own and give your kids a chance to flex theirs, and maybe we'll start to see an increase in creativity.
Starting Lines isn't just for kids. It's fun for groups of adults, great for families, and young adults.
Here's how it works. You select a starting line card and a category card. Everyone starts with the same starting line. You get 2 minutes to turn the starting line into your most creative drawing and give it a caption. Don't worry if you're a bad drawer. A witty caption can be all you need to win.
Then the judge will select his or her favorite, and that winner keeps the category card. Play repeats with a new starting line and category card.
When you're done playing, the player with the most category cards wins, and of course is deemed the most creative.
The optional adults-only expansion pack includes category cards that are guaranteed to inspire some seriously immature creativity at your next game night.
Children are naturally more creative than adults.
Any parent, teacher, or grandparent will tell you this, but research supports what they're saying. We have a standardized measure that tests children's creativity, and from the 1970s to the 1990s, children's creativity was generally increasing. But from the 1990s until now, we're seeing a steady decline in children's creativity. Creativity is an important skill to develop in our children, and it can be fostered. There's a lot of talk and focus on children's IQ, but research demonstrates that creativity is a stronger predictor of unique accomplishments than IQ. You might expect this to hold true for things like art and writing, but the results are also significant for accomplishments in the sciences and the social sciences. Creativity is the one thing that can't be outsourced. Computers alone cannot be creative for us. Therefore, we need to foster it, we need to encourage it, because creativity matters.
Be part of the creativity movement. Order your copy of Starting Lines today at startinglinesgame.com.